Hi there, Poppin PJ here, and I'm going to show you how to make this awesome Gaudy Chic Mardi Gras floral vase and floral arrangement. And it will be a lot of fun for you and your family, and I'm sure you more than likely have all of the things that you need to make this in your home right at this moment. So let's get to it.
So I'm going to spray paint this empty olive oil bottle purple as my base color for my Mardi Gras floral vase.
So we're gonna make our own Mardi Gras decoration. So here is the bottle that I spray painted
Purple, and it's an olive oil bottle that I had used all the olive oil, took the labels off, cleaned it well, and then again spray painted it.
My daughter's very creative, and so she has different fabrics up in her room. So this is actually a t-shirt that she used some fabric from. So I'm gonna cut this into different shapes of fabric. So I have some yellow pieces, as well as this is a really neat textured fabric that's green, and I'm gonna cut it into various different pieces. And then I'm going to adhere it to the bottle. I'm gonna have some purple showing, but I want some green and yellow. This is gonna be a super cool bottle that you can use for a floral arrangement. It's super fun, super inexpensive, and you can use it every year. And the best thing of all is that it's gonna be unique, one of a kind, because you made it. And I just love that. So we're gonna start with cutting some pieces of fabric. I'm gonna start here on my yellow. So I'm just choosing not to use the hem, or at least not right now. I'll set it aside because I might want to use it. So now I have my little pile of yellow fabric and my little pile of green fabric and this. And now I'm going to put some Mod Podge in a bowl. And I like to use these brushes. They come in a pack of 2 from the Dollar Tree. The only bad thing is sometimes the little bristles will come into painting of the Mod Podge, but you can pull them out. But anyway, I like to use those because you could just throw them away. So they're roughly, you know, less than 75 cents each. I'm gonna put some gloves on. Okay, so I'm just going to take, because I don't want to completely cover the bottle, that's what's gonna make this project so easy, is because I am just going to put the pieces wherever I wanna put them. It doesn't have to be completely covered, so that makes this project just incredibly easy. Even if you get the Mod Podge over the purple, it's going to dry and you're going to see the purple. So I'm just gonna put some Mod Podge on the bottle here.
As you can see, I do put the Mod Podge all over the top of the fabrics. Look at that, I decided to use the hem piece I cut and put aside. Now to let it dry.
So we have our bottle. It's pretty much dry. And even though we have the colors from Mardi Gras, I think it needs a little bling. So we're gonna put some gold on it to make it pop a little bit more. So I'm gonna put some hot glue right around the corner here and go around with the wire garland. It had stars on it and I kind of pulled those off, so it just left me with the gold part here, or the gold string rope part here.
As you can see, I am choosing to go in a diagonal pattern with the gold wire garland around the bottle. And now for another layer of the gold wire garland around the bottle next to what I just placed down. This time I am putting some glue next to the other piece of gold wire that I put on the first time so that they will stay next to each other. So I have the gold wire a little thicker at the top of the bottle and at the bottom of the bottle. Our Gaudy Chic Mardi Gras bottle coming to life. So in addition to the flowers, I have some sparkly black pipe cleaner and some gold garland that I'm going to use in the arrangement. I am choosing to use these purple flowers that I got from the Dollar Tree. And now the black sparkly pipe cleaners. And last, the gold garland. So here is our Gaudy Chic Mardi Gras vase with floral arrangement. You can see the floral arrangement closely here and the vase. And I think it came out pretty cool.